Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unmute specific group on Messenger. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Facebook Messenger is a popular social media platform where people can send messages, photos, and videos and share their status with their friends and family. You can download Facebook Messenger to communicate with people sitting an ocean apart. Facebook has a network of billions of users connected to a common platform. So, on my previous video, I showed you how to mute specific group on your Messenger. And now, what if you want to unmute the group? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Messenger apps. Now you can choose on the group that you want to unmute. For example, I will choose this one. As you can see, this group is muted. There is the mute icon on here beside the group. You can just tap and hold on the group until there is a pop-up option appear on your screen like this. There is an option unmute. You can just tap on that. So the group has been unmute from your messenger. So when there is a call or message on this group, you will get the notification on your phone. It's so simple, right? So that is how to unmute specific group on Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!